When you think of Memorial Day, normally you think cookouts, relaxation, but here at Sunnyside Toyota, we're always looking for the best way to get you the most value out of your used vehicle purchase. Starting now through May 31st, when you purchase one of our remaining 2016 Toyota certified pre-owned RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE models, you'll receive a 5-year tire and wheel protection at no additional cost. Whether you accidentally hit a pothole or run over a nail, we have you covered. If your wheel fails to hold a seal with your tire, we'll replace it. This limited time package is valued at $695 and comes with the peace of mind knowing that you won't have to pay for anything out of pocket. And with each vehicle backed by the official Toyota Certified Pre-Owned program, you can feel safe knowing that each of our vehicles undergo a 160-point quality assurance inspection and come with a 7-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty that begins at the date of purchase. So roll on over to Sunnyside Toyota now through May 31st to get a hold of this exclusive offer. Sales will be here from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Memorial Day, grilling up some of your favorites. Come out and see us.